breaking news, urgent. Sam Bankman-Fried's FTX US is the highest bid and an accepted offer so far for the purchase of Voyager Digital. The bid is over $1 billion, and it was between Sam Bankman-Fried's FTX US and CZ's Binance. I'm going to read you this article in just a moment, and please keep in mind, Sam Bankman-Fried has been trying to buy Voyager Digital on several occasions ever since this bankruptcy started. Originally, it started with a very, very low ball, $50 million offer. And just remember, around a year ago, Voyager Digital was valued at billions with a B dollar valuation. Right now, it's currently trading on the stock market at around a $20 million valuation. So we're going to see what this has to do with the stock price and if this can bring the company up in the future. Let me read you this article, and then we're going to get into it a little bit further. As per Voyager's official Twitter space, today, after a competitive auction aimed at returning maximum value to customers, at FTX official US was selected as the highest and best bidder. Press release linked below. Voyager completes successful auction and announces agreement for FTX to acquire its assets. FTX US bid is valued at approximately $1.422 billion, comprised of fair market value of all Voyager cryptocurrency at to be determined date in the future, which at current market prices is estimated to be $1.311 billion, plus additional consideration that is estimated to be providing approximately $111 million of incremental value. The company's claims against Three Arrows Capitals remain with the bankruptcy estate, which will be distributed any available recovery on such claims to the estate's creditors. This article is not going to give us all the details, specifically what's going to happen to the stock price or the value of actual Voyager Digital. We're going to get a lot of detail in the future, but it's very interesting that they're giving $1.422 billion. That covering the assets of $1.311 billion. This $111 million of incremental value is very, very interesting. I'm not sure if that incremental value is actually them buying out the company, besides for the actual assets. I have no idea. Throwing it out the dark here. Maybe it is, maybe it's not. The FTX US bid maximizes value and minimizes the remaining duration of the company's restructuring by providing a clear path forward for the debtors to consummate a Chapter 11 plan and return value to their customers and other creditors. FTX US's market-leading secure trading platform will enable customers to trade and store cryptocurrencies after the conclusion of the company's Chapter 11 cases. So obviously FTX US, and I'm sure Binance also wanted it. They want the customers to use their platforms. If they want the customers to use their platforms, maybe the customers actually will use the platforms. Maybe it's part of the deal. So maybe they're going to say, hey, if you're owed $100, we're going to return to you, $50 or $80 or $100. I have no idea what they're returning, right? Of the value that you're owed, but you have to use our platforms. And if that's the case, that's really, really good for people that are owed money, but I don't know what actually happens to Voyager Digital and the Voyager Digital share prices. Is Voyager Digital going to stay in business? Are they doing some type of merger? Who knows what's going to happen? And is there some type of buyout of the company altogether besides for just the assets? As I said, Voyager Digital right now is trading at $19 million value. I have no idea, but it's going to be very, very interesting to see the details as they come out. The asset purchase agreement between Voyager Digital LLC and FTX US will be presented for approval to the United States Bankruptcy Court on October 19th, and any objections have to be given by the deadline of October 12th. Guys, that's all I have for this right now. There's so much more information that's going to be coming out in the next days. Probably tomorrow, there's going to be a ton more information. I don't want to overwhelm you, and I don't want to fluff up this video just to get more clicks and likes and, waste your time. Thank you so much. And while you're here, give me the likes, the shares, and subscribe.